Saab JAS 39 Gripen developed by Saab for the Swedish Air Force to replace the Draken and Viggen. The JAS acronym stands for Jacked, Fighter, Attack, Spanning, Reconnaissance, emphasizing its multi-role capability. The Swedish government awarded Saab the contract in 1982 to design and produce the Gripen. The first prototype flew on December 9, 1988. It features a delta wing and forward canard design for agility and short takeoff or landing. Incorporates a digital fly-by-wire system, Sweden's first fully digital controlled fighter.